Hey there. So, we're going to be touristing again today, and today we're going on the Sea Screamer. Let's get going and have some fun. So, the beginning of this is going to be a little bit of our journey out of the lagoon. You're going to meet up and start in the lagoon, and you've got to get out to the bay and then the Gulf. So enjoy the views, and when it comes to the dolphins, I'm just going to get quiet and let you enjoy. So they take you out to Shell Island, which is just serene. Look at Panama City Beach. And here, this just happens to be some friends of ours that we saw on the way by. Say hi. So we're done with Shell Island, and now we're headed down to Panama City Beach. But first, we're going to enjoy some dolphins just riding along with us. So here we are just enjoying the ride. We're going to be looking at Panama City Beach in just a second, and then I'm going to turn it around and let you see the sun setting on the beach. Notice the nice yellow buildings? That's because of where the sun is. Next up, we're going to stop and shoot the cannon.
These people on the beach have no idea what's about to happen, so we have to give them a little bit of a fair warning here. So I'm going to toot the horn. You guys wave at them up there. How are y'all doing, everybody? All right, Nick's going to count this down from 3. You guys count with him, all right? Anybody that wants to hold their ears, especially in the front, might be a good idea up there. Let's listen for that echo. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
So when we were done with the echoes and cannons, we noticed that at the time of the year that we were going, there were these cannonball jellyfish. So they grabbed a couple and brought them on board. How cool is this? We chose the sunset cruise, but honestly, you can't go wrong either way. And this day that we went wasn't amazingly beautiful, but it turned out tremendous. So look at this awesome pelican that's spotted just above the screen, and now we're going to follow it for a second. We're going to watch the sun go down, and we'll talk again. This is 100% must for our area. I thought it was a tourist overrated thing, and it's not, so I'm going back myself.